Everything that we do at the school has to be about teaching and learning. If we're going to get these kids to grow and we're going to get them to overcome obstacles like poverty and language barriers and all of these things, it has to be about teaching and learning. We could draw a list up of all the problems that our kids have, and we would be right. They're chronically absent, their parents don't have the resources to help them, they have all the issues that come along with poverty, they're second language learners, they have learning disability, blah, blah. They have all these problems. Therefore, what? When they get in the classroom and they're there for 180 days for 1 hour, what can we do with them? I can't worry about what goes on at home, what they learned at their middle school, or what they didn't learn. I control what happens at this school. You control what happens in the classroom. And everything we do here is to support that. It doesn't happen in my office. It doesn't happen in the boardroom. It doesn't happen at the district. It happens in the classroom. Everything we do here has to be geared toward making the classroom a place of learning. All of our professional development has got to be about that. How can we be better at teaching and learning? There are classes here where the kids go in and they have a MAP score that puts them in the middle of 5th grade. They come out and they're in the middle of 8th grade. Yes, they're 10th graders and they're still behind, but what if they get that class again? Then they're in the middle of 11th grade and they're right where they need to be. You go into other classrooms, that doesn't happen, and it needs to happen. I know that it can happen because it's happening with kids that are second language learners, with our special needs population, with kids that have all kinds of struggles. We can't just say those kids, they can't learn this, oh, they're not here, they're not learning when they come here, their last teacher. It has to be about what we can do. I can control that. If I say that it's all those other reasons, then I'm a victim, and I can't control any of that stuff. And why come to work? Why try if I can't control it? I can control that. If I have a kid for 180 hours, I can teach them X, Y, and Z, and we have to do that. And it's going on in classes here all over this campus. We have some teachers, if you get their class, you grow 2 and 3 grade levels. If you get another teacher, you don't grow any grade levels. The only difference is the teacher. They're not honors kids, they're not AP kids, they're not kids with grit that try hard. We have to teach our kids, and if we do that and we engage them, they will learn and do the things that they're supposed to do to understand the concepts we're teaching.